Multilevel crowd investing is an innovative business model that allows companies with unique products or services to offer their products or services to a multi-million-dollar audience and partners to capitalize on this and create multiple sources of income. To that end, a unique environment has been created by Evorich platform. Currently, its ecosystem includes the Academy of a Private Investor, an educational portal on finance and investing, UGPay Group, a Swiss company entitled to sell the security token, World CRU, UGain, a digital platform that connects business and customers, Genius of Finance, a unique business training simulator that shapes an investment mindset, Global Unit Pay, an international payment system based on blockchain technologies, EvoScent, a luxury perfume brand, and a new word in the world of bank guarantees, Unitex, a legitimate cryptocurrency exchange. Now, Evorich is a comprehensive ecosystem that provides its partners with exclusive instruments to create active and passive income based on the principles of multi-level crowd investing. By becoming a partner of Evorich, you get the opportunity to participate in all projects of the ecosystem without exception. The number of projects on the platform is constantly growing, and as a result, your investment and business opportunities are growing too. Let's trace the entire chain of opportunities using the example of the existing EduCafe project. Customer, business, co-owner. Based on our concept of the new economic evolution of the world, participants and partners are also clients of companies and consumers of products and services within Evorich ecosystem, which allows them to generate consumer demand, to receive even greater benefits, and to stimulate the growth of projects tens and hundreds of times. As a business professional, you get unlimited earning potential, the ability to work from home and be in control of your schedule, and you get access to training on personal, financial, and business development. That will allow you to realize your dreams in the shortest time possible, despite the economic and political situation in the world. Let's go back to our example. As a co-owner, you receive profits and many other bonuses from each restaurant. Therefore, the more restaurants, the higher your income. The referral system we have implemented in Evorich ecosystem allows you to invite new partners, build a team, and receive passive income for this. In turn, new members of your team will be able to start building their own affiliate organization by getting more and more people on board and enabling the development of both your business and theirs. Now let's apply that same principle to the Academy of Private Investing. A client buys a course, receives useful knowledge on financial literacy. Then they can recommend this course to their friend or acquaintance and immediately receive a marketing bonus for promoting and advertising API courses as an agent or business professional. As a co-owner, they receive an investment income from each sold course in our system and therefore are directly interested in the successful development and promotion of the company around the world. This is called a win-win situation, where everyone is interested in developing themselves, their team, and the company as a whole. Times have changed. Former concepts don't work anymore. Multi-level crowd investing is what replaces them, and what ordinary people and ambitious companies have needed for a long time. Don't hesitate and become partner of Evorich right now to fill your life with happiness, harmony, and well-being.